Welcome to the video. Rice. Rice is causing much deforestation in the world. Rice is bird food because it's a grain. All grains are bird food. Try to eat rice in its natural state. You can't. All what you can eat in natural state, natural whole state, is food. All the rest is no food. So imagine you cook rice and you let it overcook. You let it cook too long. It becomes a gluey paste, a sticky paste. And that happens in the body with a body temperature of 36 Celsius. The rice becomes a sticky glue. And that we build up through years and years of rice eating until we get a big body. So people are loaded with much mucoid plaque because of food that is no food, that is actually bird food. And the bird food, well, let's say the logic, how you gonna get the rice through your colon, through your small intestines, when the elimination is 75% water. Rice after cooking has maybe 25%, that's it. So your body gonna look for more water to get it through the body. So that water will be pulled from joints, from skin, from eyes, and that is why the glasses industry is making good money. That is why the doctors and hospitals making good money with joint problems. It's a pure dehydration problem. For example, today I needed to go to someone with a blocked nerve. A blocked nerve can be solved by elevating the body hydration. That happened with me too. I've got a blocked nerve in my neck and a blocked nerve in my lower back. And actually that got solved when the body hydration, after many times water fasting and many years of fruit eating, when the body hydration went higher. So people don't understand that they cook, that the food becomes a glue because it's too dry for creating the stool of the elimination. People are so brainwashed that they tell me, well, the Ayurveda is recommending rice and beans first. It's a stupid combination, rice and beans, because we are monotropical eaters by design. And what does it mean? That the body needs to create only one pH when you eat one type of fruit in your or food in your meal. How more types of food, how more pH, different pHs your body needs to create. Another problem with eating the cooked food, with eating the rice, is leukocytosis. So the body gonna create more white blood cells because the body feels something unnatural is coming into the body. So it's like the body is attacked. So it tried to build up defenses by creating more white blood cells, leukocytones called. People try to convince me to eat Ayurveda. I did it years. It never helped me. I was constipated. I was farting. I've got all kind of intestinal problems. When I eat rice one day, when I was going to Africa, I was like 20 times eliminating in a day, and all very hard little balls. So the thing comes through and there is no water to make an elimination, because your elimination may not be smelly, your elimination need to be soft, need to be clean, and you may not use too much toilet paper, because then something is not clean. If you eat fruit, there is no body smell, and there is not much to clean when you go for the toilet. Peace and love. Blessings.